Welcome to Live with Lynn. So if you're here, say hi. If you're watching the replay, be sure to type replay so I know you were here. I'm Lynn Huber, and I appreciate you being here with me. So today I'm going to talk about how you can start a business doing what I do. So I was talking to a new representative on my team the other day, and she told me that she once had that power job, and she loved her job. But then she says one day she had an epiphany when she realized that she was too tired to want to spend time with her kids after work. And that's when she knew that she didn't want that power job anymore. She wanted something that would let her live her life on her terms and be there for her kids. And so that's why she started her home business. And she says her kids are I think they were in the 20s now, or teens. Anyway, they're more grown up. But so she's always worked in a home business, and that's allowed her to be home with her kids. And I think that's pretty powerful, right? I mean, I came from a power job. I had a great job. I mean, I was in charge of the marketing department for a food distributor, and I had worked really hard to get to that job. Through different jobs, I had worked my way up, scrapped my way up, and I finally felt like I had made it. But then when I started selling Avon, it wasn't because we wanted to quit our jobs. That wasn't even on the table for us at the time. I mean, Richard and I loved our jobs. I was director of marketing for a food service company. Richard was a store manager, and we loved our jobs. But hi, Karen, good to see you. But it was 2001, and the internet was just really starting to become known. And I'm a geek. I admit it, I'm a geek, and I was building a square dance website. We were square dancing at the time. That was our hobby, and it was hard to find out where the dances were because we were living in Southern California, and there was dances all over Southern California, and sometimes it was just hard to know who was dancing what night. And so I started to build this website with a calendar so anybody could go on and see where the dances were that night. But it was going to be really expensive. And I was looking for a way. I didn't want to have to charge admission to the square dancers or, have to be a member to get in or anything like that. And so I started selling Avon. And I thought I could just sell products to the square dancers that they're already using, and that would help pay for the site. And then nobody would be locked out, and it was up to them if they bought or not, right? And that worked. My website was covered. But about a year into it, Richard and I figured out what we had in our hand. Sure, we had great jobs. We were making good money, but we worked 60 to 70 hours a week. And I commuted an hour and a half each way to work. I commuted from Ventura to Goleta, which is north of Santa Barbara. I don't know if you know the area at all, but an hour and a half each way to work. And we just couldn't take time off and travel whenever we wanted, So we decided, well, what the heck? It's not going to hurt anything. Let's just get serious and see what we can do with this Avon business and see what happened. Well, the short story is I was able to quit my job about 2 days, 2 years later, and Richard a couple of years after that, and we were debt free at that point. No house payment, no car payments, no credit card debt. Hey, I'm not saying it was easy. I mean, this isn't a get rich quick. It's not, but nothing worthwhile is easy, right? And you know what? I haven't worked a job in years now, and I love my life. I think I'm virtually unemployable at this point. So are you tired of being stuck in that cubicle? I mean, are you hitting that snooze button for the fourth and fifth and sixth time in the morning, and you're already dreading, the boring day that lays ahead of you? Why not wake up in the morning and be eager and wanting to go to work? Do something you want to do, right? So we live in a society where we work to live, but shouldn't we live to work? We should be doing what we want. And yeah, it can be scary. It can be scary to let go of that job. I was terrified when I left. I mean, I had never not had a job, and I had that steady income coming in. I knew that, and I knew it was all going to be on me now. And that was a scary feeling. It was scary, but my life changed dramatically by making that decision in so many great ways. But it doesn't even have to be about leaving your job. I mean, I'm sure that there's many of you out there who love your job and you don't want to leave, right? And that's totally okay too. Because whether you're looking to be your own boss or earn a little extra money, being an Avon rep can make all the difference. Selling Avon can allow you to make money, meet new friends, travel more, and be part of the world's most trusted beauty and lifestyle brands. I can't even tell you how many friends I have that I've met through Avon and how many trips we've been on, all expenses paid. It's been amazing. So you could start selling Avon as a side hustle, and you could build your self-employed income while you have the safety and security of your day job. And then it's up to you what you want to do with it, right? You don't ever have to leave your job, and you don't even have to make a lot of money if you don't want to, right? But when you look at Avon reps today, you'll see there's all kinds of accomplishments. I mean, some reps like me have paid off their mortgages. Others have sent their children to private schools or summer camps that they wanted to go to. Others have left their full-time jobs to lead a team of Avon representatives, and many have paid for that family vacation every year or gotten a new car, or there's just all kinds of things. And the impacts are even more than financial, right? So many of my Avon friends have experienced personal development. We all have. I have. I have for sure. And many have learned entrepreneurial skills to be successful business owners. And many have overcome a significant insecurity and gained confidence because having that business has given that to them. And so your day job might help you pay for the essentials, but selling Avon as a side gig from home, that's a game changer that can make a difference in your wallet and give you freedom you've always wanted. So seriously, you can get started right now. You can just go to my website at workwithlynn.com. It's only $30. It'll give you everything you need to start your business. And then you'll be able to choose one of 3 sign-up bundles. Each of them are valued at over $80. You pick which one you want, but it's $30 out the door. No tax, no shipping, no nothing. And then you're in business. So now you're in business. So now what, right? So selling Avon's actually pretty simple. You know, Avon comes out with a new brochure every 2 weeks. You can share the paper version of that, or we have a digital version you can share with as many people as you can and collect orders. Or you got your online store free. Avon gives you a free online store that you can share that with as many people as you want. And you can make money face-to-face by talking with people, or online by promoting your website. Either way, you make commission from every product that's sold. It's just that simple, really. You sell a lot of products, you make a lot of money. If you sell a little bit of products, you make a little bit of money. But the best part about this business is it's totally flexible. You know, you can work it as hard or as little as you like around your personal life. You know, you can do it from home. You can go host booths at events. You can build face-to-face or entirely online if that's what you want, or a combination of. And it's a really lucrative opportunity to help other women and men. We also have an opportunity to help other women and men join Avon and build their business, which is really lucrative. So some of the reasons I love selling Avon: flexible hours. It didn't take me long to be able to get out of my full-time day job and become full-time with Avon. And now I have the flexibility to work my business when I want to. And my business allowed me to move back to Utah and be here for my mom when she needed me. She was getting old. She's since passed, but she was getting old and she needed me here. And I was able to, I didn't have to, I just had to sell my house and move. I mean, I didn't have to quit my job. I didn't have, find another job. It just made it really easy. But the other thing about Avon that I love as far as flexibility is I have people on my team that have things like fibromyalgia and I don't know, some other autoimmune type diseases or illnesses. And the thing about it, because it's flexible, you can work your business when you're able to work it. And then when you're having a bad day, you cannot put so much effort in and your business will work for you. So that's kind of the cool thing, because you work it when you're able, and then when you're not having a good day, you can slow down and you can kind of do that. So you can work around your schedule, which is, people who have illnesses like that, it's really hard to hold down a day job, where they have to be there 8 to 5 or whatever. So this is really flexible and it really helps you. And it's flexible around your kids. It's flexible around your schedule. And then I love being my own boss. I get to decide when I'm going to work my business. I don't have to worry about vacation days or sick days. If I need a day to myself or to have some fun, it's up to me to just decide, not working today, right? Unlimited income. I mean, the opportunity has been a blessing for us in so many ways. And I love that we sell products that are reasonably priced and people love, and I have the ability to make as much money as I want to, and multiple streams of income. So I use every opportunity Avon gives me. You know, I build my business face to face. I have a huge part of my business online, and I also mentor a team. I build and mentor a team. And I take home profit from the products I sell. I sell traditionally. I get credits on my account from my online sales. I earn a leadership paycheck every 2 weeks, and that comes without fail. Just boom, every 2 weeks I know I'm getting a paycheck, a leadership check from my team, from the sales of my team. So selling Avon can help you make extra money every month, but it can also help you develop new skills, build your personal brand, and help you achieve more freedom. And so, hey, ready to get started? Seriously, it's only $30. And just go to workwithlynn.com, and I'll be here to help you be successful, whatever that looks like for you. So have fun with it. You know, Avon's your best opportunity to live your life on your terms. And with more money in your pocket, there's nothing stopping you from making your dreams come true. So go to Work with Lynn. I'll put the link in the comments below, workwithlynn.com, and you can get signed up. And that's really all I have for you today. Thanks for being here with me today. I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.